Hi there! How about we start today's episode with one very interesting and obviously rather smartish vice adapter. Okay, so you're supposed to fix it by means of neodymium magnets. With its help you can easily bend thin iron pieces, pipes and profiles. And the fact that it's so simple means that anybody can afford one. And by the way, to make the shaft move, you can just use a regular screwdriver. Alright, next on the list is the slope of an angle plastering clamp. The pins go right inside the foam block. See? You don't even need to drill those or anything. Although, if it was a concrete or a brick wall, you'd have to put the holes in it first, obviously. So what you do then is you put this thing to a wall. The reason it's so good is because it's fast and adjusts really easily. And here's a great wallpapering tool. Now, you may say that in this particular case it's a necessity, although you can use it for putting the glue on the wall solely, and it's going to be just as useful. So you see, this way you don't need to roll the wallpaper on the floor, it won't get dirty or crumpled, and most importantly, you will never pick the wrong end. So basically, 5 minutes is all you need to make one of these, and the advantage of using this thing seems quite obvious. Now, for those of you who are thinking about making an angle grinder stand and couldn't find the one that would meet all your requirements, here's one you should consider. Quality's good, that's for sure. It's got the kind of support that allows you to use a variety of different nozzles. Now, if you're planning to use this kind of plaster and you've got the compressor, then perhaps you'll be interested in this simple and cheap solution. So what you'll need is a canister and a pipe for an air supply. There's a nozzle at the end of the pipe and there's an opening on the opposite side. So you just put the solution in the bunker and that way you get the maximum output with minimum effort. I also like this interesting type of folding trolley, and even though it isn't a DIY solution, those of you who need one should definitely think about getting this kind. Alright, that's all for now folks. Thank you for watching, make sure you check out these two videos, press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.